Thanks for checking out the video. This is my footage from the February 2023 Fowl River Mobtown Kayak Bass Fishing Tournament. I launched out of Memories on East Fowl River, and it was dark whenever I first started fishing and got my first fish, so this is my intro. I'm starting out with a popper this morning. Hopefully you enjoy it. Best 5 bass over 12 inches. Shoot. Again. Alright, so now I'm going to work my way up the creek, go up a little ways, and then I'm going to start throwing a crankbait and trying to catch some fish on that crankbait. I'm going to lose a few that I didn't quite get on camera. My camera's starting to overheat, so that's going to make for some weird footage. Just case scenario, I guess. Hey. Goodness. Now I'm moving into a flat. It's got a grassy bottom in it. It's only a few foot deep. In the past, and years past, I've caught some decent fish in here a little bit later in the year, so I'm hoping that they've moved up to spawn on this flat, but I'm not exactly sure yet. Because the conditions keep going from like cloudy to partly cloudy, I'm hanging with this top water a little bit later than I normally would. If the sun comes out and the wind picks up, I'm going to go to that crankbait, but for now I'm using that top water.
God dang it.
Yeah, so normally, normally when the top water goes down, like I hook them and, oh, there's one. You still on there? Yeah, that one, I think that one might measure. Maybe, if I can get him in. Yeah, that one's probably 14 maybe. So on the right side of the screen, you're going to see a snake slither across, and this is a brief little run-in that I had with that snake. We just kind of have a stare down, and then we go our separate ways. All right, now you. How's it gonna be, Mr. Snake? How's it gonna be? What's up? What are you doing, Mr. Snake? How's it gonna be? Okay, so we got fish 5. My GoPro overheated a while ago. I made kind of a big move and I've caught 2 since then and lost 2. Nothing really big. My biggest is 14 and a quarter. And I've got 2 13 and a quarters and I believe 2 12 and a quarters. So not doing too great. Well, I got 5, so it's not bad, but I need to get a bigger fish now. Oh, there's one. Oh, look, he didn't even hit it. He just come up and nibbled on it. So this is the last footage that my camera was able to capture before it ended up ultimately overheating and turning off for the last time. I didn't bother restarting it because the tournament's almost over. Ended up with 5 scoreable fish for 66 inches. That was good enough for second place, and it's a pretty good day. It's only one other person got 5 fish and they had 66.5 inches, so it's just a half, or I guess 3/4 inch away from first place. But it was a fun tournament and it was a tough day, but I got lots of action. They were just small fish. So if you see this video and you're interested in checking out any kayak bass tournaments in the Mobile, Baldwin County area, check out Mobtown. We're relatively new and trying to grow this thing. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like it if you did and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.